Hello everyone, I am Sohrab from AgriMetSoft and I want to use DMAP version 2 and for calculating the drought indices. It is a powerful tool and I am a developer of this tool. If you want to have some information about drought, you can watch the video. The link of video is in description of this video. And this is about the drought lessons. I should select stations. We have two type of input data. One of them is as an Excel file, and the second one is as a NetCDF file. But you should use just one of these two items. You cannot use both of them. Now I want to load data as an Excel file. Firstly, I should select and enter the stations. You can enter manually and you can enter or input stations by file, by Excel or CSV file or text file. If you have a text file or CSV file, you should use this text box. Otherwise you forget this text box and just click on fill list by files. I should find the list of station, the file. It's here. It is my data. I should select the sheet name. Then I should select the header of the columns. For SPI, we need just name of station, latitude, and longitude. But if you have other, if you want to calculate other indices such as KBDI or PDSI, you should select field capacity for KBDI and the surface field and AWC, available soil water, for PDSI. My latitude and longitude is in lat, lon, and decimal format. Because of this, I don't need to convert this coordinates. But if you have a UTM system, so you should convert it. Based on the indices, the index that I want to calculate, I should input the data. For example, for rain-based drought indices such as SPI, you should input just rainfall data, and for KBDI, you should input rainfall and TMAX. And for PDSI, you have two options. One of option is input rainfall and average temperature. Then the tool will calculate evapotranspiration, potential evapotranspiration by average temperature. Otherwise, if you have potential evapotranspiration, you can input it instead of T average temperature. But now I want to calculate rainfall SPI, so I should enter just rainfall data. I have this rainfall data in an Excel file, so I should select it. If you have it in Excel file, you should open the file, then select the sheet. Okay. This is the header, the name of stations in as an header. So I should check this checkbox. First roof is header. If the name of a station is exactly equal to this list, you can use this button to automatically fill the checkbox. You should check all checkbox, and if the tool cannot find the name of a station, you should use it manually. You should select the date column. Also, you should define the format of date. The format of my date is YYYY. My data is daily, so I should select the radio button of daily. Now I can click on load. This window will say to us the Bojnord station hasn't any data or bad data, blank data or bad data in this roof. I can convert it to fill it by average, and it is not filling missing data. Missing data has special methods. It is just for remove it. I will do it for all blank data. The loading data is complete. I don't need to input NetCDF files for these items because I input my data as an Excel file. I select the index. After you select index, you can change the start and end of your period, and you can select the time frequency. If you select the time frequency as a monthly, you can change. You can select the moving average. Monthly means 1 month moving average, and you can select others in this button. And if you want to add the average of all stations, you can use these items. Because my index is SPI, I don't need to enter anything. Just click on yes. But if you want to calculate PDSI, you should enter AWC and SS. And if you want to calculate KBDI, you should enter the field capacity FC. But now I don't need to enter. All thing is complete. I should click on generate. It is time consuming process because I have lots of stations, and so I should wait. You should be patient. You can use progress bar by check this icon. Otherwise, you can uncheck it. If you uncheck it, your speed will be up. You will be increase the speed. I will pause the video, and after the progress bar will complete at the end, I will start it. Please wait. Again, it is at the end. Index is calculated. Okay, now I can draw some graph just for viewing. But if you want to draw other plots, you can save data in Excel. You can draw H line or change the color by these icons and plot box plot. If you want to draw column, it has lots of stations. I should draw the linear, then I will change the stations. I will change the stations list. I will select just 2 or 3 stations. Then I can draw the plots of, or you can compare just 2 stations together. Okay, if you need the drought index data, you should send it to table. Then you can export it to Excel. If you want to draw severity, you can use these icons. For SPI, I should select less than, but other index is different, such as KBDI, you should select more than. This border is based on papers. You can use other borders if you want. The chart is not good because the scale is monthly and it has lots of data. You can change the stations. You can change the border to 0. You have lots of drought events after you decrease it. This is a start of drought, and this is the duration of drought in day, and this is the severity of drought. It means severity of drought, it means summation of droughts in any event. Summation of drought indices. You can change the period to focus on some years. Okay, and now I want to use another options for input data as an NetCDF file. Because of this, I restart the tool. I should restart the tool. I restart it. Now I want input data as an NetCDF file. I have some CMIP6 data and I want to use it. Now I should use MPI and historical. I should select from 960 up to 2014. You should be wait because it is time consuming. Now I should check the variable of the NetCDF files. Because of this, I should select one of the files and view this database, this file. You can select any of files. The time variable, the name of time variable is time, the name of latitude variable is lat, and the name of longitude variable is long. The main variable in this file is PR, name of main variable. Now I should check the time variable is time, the latitude variable is lat, and the line. The tool can find it, but sometimes the tool cannot find it. You should enter it manually. You should select list of station. You can select list of station for extract data. So you should enter the list of station here. Also, you can use a shapefile for extraction. Then the tool will extract all the cells that is in your shapefile, in a region of shapefile. Also, you can select a rectangular region by enter the start and end of latitude and longitude here. Now I should enter start and end of latitude of a small region. If you select a big region, it will be time consuming. Each cell will be a station. If your data is Cordex data, you should check this checkbox. The name of main variable is PR. You can select use progress bar, or you can uncheck it. But if you check it, the process will be time consuming. If your region is so big, so you should uncheck the use progress bar checkbox. Also, now I should click on load data, and I should wait. I will pause the video, but after the progress bar is starting, I will pause the video, and then I will start it at the end of progress bar. You should be wait. You should be patient because this is so time consuming process. The progress bar is starting. I want to show you 1% increasing. After the percent of progress bar will be 3, I will pause the video. You can change the decimal places for lat and lon. It is for NetCDF files that has lots of cells. It will be good for this item. For this purpose, I pause the video. Okay, all the stations is here. Each cell is will be a station. Now my precipitation data is in flux format. I know it, and I check it in view database button. And so I should select rainfall and flux to conversion unit. The data is load. It is not important for SPI. If you want to calculate the PDSI, you should enter AWC, available water capacity, and this is important for PDSI, just surface soil, and this is important for KBDI. But now I should forget it. I will check the SPI. Now I want to calculate the SPI as an yearly. You can view the data here, and severity will be good. The chart will be good because I calculate the yearly format. And also you can draw the box plot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel to know about the tools. Bye.